trust is collapsing. Ask yourself, do you trust the person seated beside you? Do you trust the one seated behind you? In organizations, we don't trust our leaders. In the public sector, we don't trust people who are in positions, because most people are just position occupants. Nigeria's organizational failure is directly linked to poor leadership systems and unsustainable practices. I love this one and I'm interested in this one. Please listen to this. Don't miss this one. 75% of African SMEs never scale due to weak leadership structures, according to World Bank. It's huge. We need to reduce those percentages. And it starts with you. And it's starting from here. Because by the time we are done here today, you are going to recreate so many things around you, starting with you in your family and beyond your family.